forms are a little bit up in the air. However, over the last 15 years, we developed technologies and kind of analytical tools that to create structurally aware technologies using robotic fabrication and then eventually scaling up to industrialized construction. So this group is called the ZHA Code, and firstly, the work is done on the prototypes, such as pavilions and smaller scale structures. But then eventually this makes its way to the real project. So we create these tools, computational tools, advanced computational tools, that such as scripts and I have to say the software range also developed, let's say, with us. And we have to create tools that would be kind of beneficial for our projects to make them realistic. So it works both ways. Kind of the industry and technology, we can say that kind of follows the demands of the architects. So there are kind of four main areas of research: manufacturing technologies and responsible design, modular construction, as well as gaming technologies. I will stop on this a little bit later on in the session. We have three technologies: the virtual environmental design, but the kind of the virtual and physical world kind of overlap, and the virtual reality becomes a part of the kind of our everyday life. So one of the projects that kind of this research basis found the realization in is the modular design for this Honduras housing. This project is interesting because it engages the community. We created a set of modules, like it's a kind of a toolkit, and it's a platform which the residents can use to create their own house. With this project, the aim is to use locally available material with very short travel distance. And this modularized construction can be fast and efficient with off-site fabrication to minimize also the impact on the environment. So it's located in the rainforest, and one of the aims was not to damage the nature and to create this housing fully integrated in the environment. Another example is one of our recent projects in development with City International Airport. Here, I think more kind of easy to understand this, all this kind of the tools and methods that we are using. And of course, it's not only us. Each project involves many consultants and engineers, facade consultants, and collaborators from all different disciplines. But eventually, this project, for example, can be broken down into a series of components that are fully integrated into one system. So it uses standardized modules, minimize material usage, and still create a kind of a range of design solutions that can be then proliferated, multiplied through the whole project. Another study, this is one of the studies for the modular airports. That can be it could be train stations or even smaller units. We even use this kind of this approach for the modular schools, for example, that can be deployed in the areas that are being developed. And before the main construction comes in, the modular construction can be done kind of. Can be reused, maybe even in other places. So here again, the use of modular components. Fast construction and minimal impact to the environment. So one of our iconic projects, following from what I described before, The King Abdullah Financial District metro station is one of the largest transit metro stations, certainly in Saudi Arabia. And while this project, it is complex, it is buildable and it is rationalized through the use of repeated panelization, and it's a set of modules that is then applied to the structure. Here we touched a little bit on the use of beam, and many of our projects, so all of our projects are done in beam. So all of our projects follow the path from the design softwares to Revit. Revit is now the main tool, and we use it at early stages. And again, software development over the last 10 years, as well as our internal tools, allow us to translate our geometries directly into Revit and develop it further and integrate with other systems. Of course, like in this model, you can see kind of the ideal scenario of the BIM model, where structure, facade, MEP services are integrated with the design. And this model is used and developed through the design stages, and eventually to check and kind of correct things in real time on site. But also this model can be used throughout the life cycle of the project to then monitor various parameters. Another project that I prepared here is one of the recently completed office buildings in China, Soho, which features the tallest atrium in the world. And here you can see the tower is split in half. And this is for a reason, because there is a kind of a train tunnel is passing underneath, so the site is very limited, and the core had to be split in half. So we create two towers interconnected through this atrium. And here a little bit of the design process. So the building looks kind of cylindrical and completely round. But through rationalization and development, we come from the original geometry, and then through the surface rationalization and panelization to arrive at completely straight panels of the facade, which you can see on the left of the image. And so that as a result, you get the overall kind of design carried through, but rationalized and built using conventional more conventional technologies, and also reducing the cost of construction, so that there are no curved or minimized curved, double curved panels in this project. Another project included here is I tried to show some kind of more recent work, and to a little bit talk about how we have done it. So the Zaha Civic Arts Center includes 4 wings and is part of the new aviation city master plan. So now, in terms of sustainability, yes, we try to integrate as much as possible the systems. But for example, this lake is an artificial lake, and the whole master plan is part as kind of a completely new development, like it's often happened and still happens in China. So in our project, we then try to kind of to develop and realize systems and also the ideas that would enhance this new environment, that would create spaces for people to use and enjoy, so these buildings don't sit kind of abandoned. And this becomes again an attraction to the local community and the people from further away. And here in the 4 weeks, it's a theater, black box theater, museum, and community center. And here again, so I selected images from the design model and visualization through construction and completed design. So this is the visualization at the beginning, the construction process, and the completed form, which again, the form may be complex, but it is rationalized and constructed in a way that it remains, it keeps the original qualities of the design. A big part of it is the use of BIM technologies, and you can see here the example of the mode, the design model and the structure model, and so we can, in real time, we can adjust the geometry and integrate all the necessary systems. And this is one of the construction images. Now this project is completed, opened a few months ago. So then coming to the next part, and